Hello everyone, I am Meenakshi Birari. Today, in this particular video lecture, we will see the multiple choice questions with answers based on the topic polymer chemistry. This lecture will be very useful for all chemistry students. It is also useful for SPPU online entrance examinations and other competitive examinations. So, read all questions and options carefully and think over it. The correct answer will be highlighted. So, let's see the multiple choice questions with answers on polymer chemistry. First question: a polymer containing nitrogen is, options are first bakelite, dacron, nylon 66 and rubber. Now, among these options, which polymer contains nitrogen? So, what is the correct answer? Nylon 66. Option C, it is correct one. It contains nitrogen. Next question. Buna S is a polymer of dash dash. Here are the options. Butadiene and chloroprene. Option B, butadiene. Option C, styrene. Option D, butadiene and styrene. So, which is correct answer? Buna S is a polymer of butadiene and styrene. So, the correct answer is option D. Next question. Polymerization in which two or more chemically different monomers take part is called addition polymerization, chain polymerization, copolymerization, homopolymerization. So, which is correct answer? Copolymerization. So, the polymerization in which two or more chemically different monomers take part is called copolymerization. Next question. The common acid used in the manufacture of rayon and plastic is, option A, methanoic acid, option B, butanoic acid, option C, propanoic acid, option D, ethanoic acid. So, which common acid is used in the manufacture of rayon and plastic? That is ethanoic acid. So, the correct answer is option D. Next question. Nylon is generic name for all synthetic fiber forming. Here are the options: polyesters, polystyrene, polyethylene, polymeric amides. So, which is correct answer? Option D, polymeric amides. So, the nylon generic name for all synthetic fiber forming polymeric amides. Next question. Ethylene propylene rubber can be dash dash vulcanized by sulfur, non-vulcanizable, both A and B, vulcanized by peroxides. So, what is correct answer? Option D. Ethylene propylene rubber can be vulcanized by peroxides. Next question. Cellulose acetate is a dash dash. Option A, natural polymer. Option B, plasticizer. Option C, synthetic polymer. Option D, semi-synthetic polymer. So already we have studied the classification of polymers in detail. So cellulose acetate is a semi-synthetic polymer. So the correct answer is option D. Next question. Orlon has a unit: isoprene, acrolein, glycol, vinyl cyanide. So which is correct one? Orlon has a unit: vinyl cyanide. So the correct answer is option D. Next question. Buna S rubber is which of the following of 1,3-butadiene and styrene? So option A, polymers, condensation polymer, addition polymer, and copolymer. So what is the answer? Option D, copolymer. Buna S rubber, it is formed by 1,3-butadiene and styrene, and that is a copolymer. Next one. High density polyethylene HDPE can be prepared from ethylene by heating with peroxides, condensing in sealed tubes, Ziegler-Natta process, and condensing with styrenes. So HDPE can be prepared from ethylene by Ziegler-Natta process. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. Polymerization can be obtained by option A, chain growth, option B, condensation, option C, step growth, option D, both chain growth and condensation. So what is correct answer? Both chain growth and condensation. Polymerization can be obtained by both methods. Next question. Which of the following is used as for manufacturing conveyor belts, gaskets, and hoses? So there are number of applications of polymers. So for the manufacture of conveyor belts, gaskets, and hoses, what is used? First option, Buna S, Buna N, both A and B, and neoprene. So the correct answer is neoprene. Next question. A polymer containing nitrogen is option A, bakelite, option B, Dacron, option C, nylon 66, option D, rubber. So the correct answer is nylon 66. Next question. Some polymers are called thermoplastic polymers because they soften on heating, linear or slightly branched long chain molecules. They harden on cooling but soften on heating and harden on cooling. So why the polymers are called thermoplastic polymers? Because they soften on heating but harden on cooling. So the option D is correct answer. Next question. Intermolecular forces of thermoplastic polymers are between elastomers and fibers, same as elastomers, more than fibers, more than elastomers. So which is correct answer? Option A. Intermolecular forces of thermoplastic polymers are between elastomers and fibers. Next question. Bakelite is a polymer of benzaldehyde and phenol, acetaldehyde and phenol, formaldehyde and benzyl alcohol, formaldehyde and phenol. So, bakelite is a polymer of formaldehyde and phenol. Option D is correct answer. Next question. Natural rubber is a polymer of isoprene, butadiene, neoprene and ethylene. So, the correct answer is option A, isoprene. Natural rubber is a polymer of isoprene. Next question. Which of the following is a branched polymer? Polyester, PVC, polyvinyl chloride, nylon and low density polythene. So among these options, which is a branched polymer? That is low density polythene. Option D, that is correct answer. Next question. Which of the following polymers of glucose are stored by animals? Option A, cellulose. Option B, amylose. Option C, glycogen. Option D, amylopectin. So among these polymers, the glucose which is stored by animals, answer is glycogen. Next question. The commercial name of polyacrylonitrile is Dacron, PVC, bakelite, Orlon or acrylon. So the commercial name of polyacrylonitrile is Orlon or acrylon. Option D. Next question. Vulcanization makes rubber soluble in inorganic solvent, more stiff, more elastic, both B and C. So, what is vulcanization and what happens after the vulcanization? So, vulcanization makes rubber more stiff and more elastic. Next question. Which of the following is used to make non-stick cookware? So, what are the options? First, PVC. Second, polystyrene. Third, polytetrafluoroethylene. And fourth, polyethylene terephthalate. So, what is the correct answer? Polytetrafluoroethylene. Non-stick cookware that are prepared by using the polymer polytetrafluoroethylene, also known as Teflon. Next question. The monomer used to produce Orlon is CH2 double bond CHCl, CH2 double bond CHCN, CH2 double bond CHF and CH2 double bond CCl2. So, which is monomer used to produce Orlon? Option B, CH2 double bond CHCl. Next question. The species which can best serve as an initiator for the cationic polymerization is first HNO3, nitric acid, AlCl3, butylithium BuLi and LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride. So, the species which can best serve as an initiator for the cationic polymerization is AlCl3, aluminum chloride. So, option B, that is correct answer. Next question. Pterylene is a condensation polymer of ethylene glycol and dash dash. First, terphthalic acid, second phthalic acid, third salicylic acid, and fourth benzoic acid. So pteryline polymer obtained by monomers ethylene glycol and terphthalic acid. So the option A is correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is not condensation polymer? First, neoprene, melamine, Dacron, and Glyptal. So among these options, which is not condensation polymer? Option A, neoprene, it is not condensation polymer. Next question. The monomers of Buna S rubber are styrene and butadiene, vinyl chloride and sulfur, butadiene, and isoprene and butadiene. So what are the monomers used to form Buna S rubber? The option A, styrene and butadiene. Next question. Which of the following is a biodegradable polymer? Option A, polythene. Option B, bakelite. Option C, PVC. And option D, PHBV. So, among these, a biodegradable polymer is PHBV. Next question. Which polymers occurs naturally? So, naturally occurring polymers are starch and nylon, proteins and nylon, proteins and PVC, starch and cellulose. So there are the different types of polymers: natural polymers, synthetic polymers, semi-synthetic polymers. So the naturally occurring polymers are starch and cellulose. The correct answer is option D. Next question. Soft drinks and baby feeding bottles are generally made up of polyester, polystyrene, polyamides, polyurethanes. So the correct answer is polyurethanes. Soft drinks and baby feeding bottles are generally made up of polyurethanes. Option D is correct. Next question. The monomer used in making hair synthetic hair wigs is made up of first CH2 double bond CHCl, CH2 double bond CHCOO CH3, C6H5CH double bond CH2, and option D CH2 double bond CH double bond CH2. So the correct answer is option A CH2 double bond CHCl. Next question. Polythene is random copolymer, alternate polymer, cross-linked polymer, and homopolymer. So the answer is very simple, homopolymer. Polythene is homopolymer. It is formed by monomer ethylene. Homopolymer, that means the same monomer units involved in the formation of polyethylene. Next question. Nylon threads are made up of polyester polymer, polystyrene polymer, polyethylene polymer, and polyamide polymer. So the correct answer is polyamide polymer. Next question. CF2 double bond CF2 is a monomer of Glyptal, nylon 6, Buna S, Teflon. So CF2 double bond CF2 is a monomer of Teflon, polytetrafluoroethylene, that is a polymer also known as Teflon, used to make cookwares, non-stick cookwares. Next question. In addition polymer, monomer used is saturated compounds, unsaturated compounds, bifunctional saturated compounds, trifunctional saturated compounds. So the answer is unsaturated compounds. In addition polymer, monomer used is unsaturated compounds. Next question. Ethylene propylene rubber can be non-vulcanizable, vulcanized by peroxides, vulcanized by sulfur, both A and B. So the answer is vulcanized by peroxides. Ethylene propylene rubber can be vulcanized by peroxides. Next question. The starting material for the preparation of styrene is ethane, ethene, ethine and vinyl chloride. So the answer is ethine. The starting material for the preparation of styrene is ethine. Next question. Which of the following is used in paints? Option A, nylon. Option B, glyptal. Option C, terylene. Option D, chloroprene. So the answer is glyptal. It is used in paints. Next question. Which of the following has the largest molecular mass? Option A, dimer. Option B, polymer. Option C, monomer. Option D, oligomer. So the answer is polymer. Polymer has the largest molecular mass. Next question. Which of the following has a largest glass transition temperature? Option A, polyethylene, polystyrene. Option B, option C, polypropylene and option D, polyvinyl chloride. So among these, which has a higher glass transition temperature? Polystyrene has a higher glass transition temperature. Next question. So in this video lecture, we have solved some MCQs related to polymer chemistry. In next video, we will study the MCQ related to next chapter. Okay, thank you.